Hello and welcome to our Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA with a 6-speed manual transmission, and it comes in a beautiful pepper dust metallic paint. This is a pre-registered vehicle. It comes on a 65 plate and comes with delivery mileage on the clock. This car also benefits from the remainder of the 3 years manufacturer's warranty. As we walk around the car, you'll see this car comes with front fog lights, 18-inch alloys, convertible rooftop, rear parking sensors, and as we look into the boot, we have a fairly good sized boot for this type of car, also quite deep. Moving inside the car, this car has full cloth interior, generous legging in the back, also has middle compartments for storage, and comes with ISOFIX points in the seats. Moving to the front of the car, this car has a multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control, radio tuning controls, phone connectivity, also volume controls. We have a CD and radio player, which comes with aux connection and USB connection. Also comes with climate control. Full electric windows and electric mirrors. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit, or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you're thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender of our dealer funding plan. Thank you for visiting Now Approved.